In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp, organization tips for service-based business owners. If you run a service-based business, think agencies, coaching, consulting, ClickUp can centralize your ops and reduce context switching, put tasks, docs, and dashboards in one place, and speed up onboarding. Today, we'll quickly set up a proven business management template inside a space so your team can manage clients, projects, and internal processes with clarity. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable workflow without building everything from scratch. Start by heading to ClickUp in your browser. If you're not already signed in, do that first. Once inside, look to your sidebar and choose the workspace where your business lives. We'll be working inside a space, which is a container for lists, tasks, and views dedicated to an area of your business, like client delivery or operations. Click into the space you want to organize so any changes apply exactly where you need them. Next, open the space settings. You'll usually find a gear icon or a three-dot menu near the space name in the left sidebar or top bar. This is where you control how the space behaves, statuses, members, and features. We're going here to bring in a ready-made structure instead of building from scratch, which keeps your processes consistent and saves you setup time. Inside Space Settings, choose Browse Templates. This opens ClickUp's template library, a collection of pre-built workflows, lists, custom fields, and views. Templates are incredibly helpful for service businesses because they bundle best practices, things like client pipelines, service delivery checklists, and reporting views, so you don't reinvent the wheel. It's also a great way to standardize how your team handles inquiries, onboarding, delivery, and offboarding across every client. In the template search bar, type Business Management. Review the options that appear and pick the one that fits your operation. You can open a preview to see what lists and views are included, such as lead intake, onboarding, active projects, and finance tracking. Choose the template that matches your client journey and services, keeping in mind that you can always rename lists, adjust statuses, and remove anything you don't need after import. When you've found the right one, click Use Template. ClickUp will ask where to apply it. Make sure your chosen space is selected so everything lands in the right place. You may see options to include tasks, custom fields, and views. Leaving these enabled gives you the full structure. Click Use Template again to confirm and begin the import. Depending on the size of the template, setup can take a moment. Once done, your space will populate with organized lists, statuses, and dashboards tailored for service work.